Session 34. Angle facts on a line and around a point. Adjacent angles on a straight line add to 180 degrees. Angles that make one complete turn around a point add to 360 degrees. By the end, you'll recognize each total, find missing angles, form equations with algebraic angles, and explain which fact justifies every answer. A straight angle is half a turn, so adjacent angles along one straight line total 180 degrees. A full turn around one point totals 360 degrees, no matter how many smaller angles divide it. These angle totals appear wherever lines, turns, and directions meet. Road junctions use angles around a point to describe the spaces between routes. A flat hinge or open book creates adjacent angles on a straight line. Radial designs and rotating mechanisms divide one full turn into several angles. First, identify the structure. A straight line means 180, while a full turn means 360. List every adjacent angle exactly once before subtracting from the correct total. Writing the angle fact beside your calculation makes the reasoning clear and easy to check. A straight line is split into 65 degrees and x degrees. Angles on a straight line total 180, so 65 plus x equals 180. Subtract 65. X equals 115 degrees. Three angles around a point are 120 degrees, 95 degrees, and x degrees. Around a point totals 360, so 120 plus 95 plus x equals 360. The known angles total 215. Subtract from 360, giving x equals 145 degrees. Two adjacent angles on a straight line are x plus 20 and 2x plus 10 degrees. Their sum is 180. X plus 20 plus 2x plus 10 equals 180. Collect terms to get 3x plus 30 equals 180. Therefore, x equals 50, and the angles are 70 and 110 degrees. Complete example. Four angles around a point are 80 degrees, 2x degrees, x degrees, and 100 degrees. Use the full turn fact. 80 plus 2x plus x plus 100 equals 360. Collect terms to get 3x plus 180 equals 360. So 3x equals 180 and x equals 60. The four angles are 80, 120, 60, and 100 degrees. Their total is 360 degrees. Don't use 180 unless the outer rays form a straight line. Don't use 360 for only part of a turn. The angles must surround the point completely. And don't omit an angle or count one twice. Mark each sector as you include it. Practice question 1. An angle of 47 degrees and x form a straight line. Option A is 43. Option B is 143. Option C is 133. Option D is 313. Pause. Write the straight line total before subtracting. Option C is correct. X equals 133 degrees. 47 plus x equals 180, so x is 180 minus 47. Practice question 2. Around a point, the known angles are 80, 110, and 70 degrees. Find the missing angle. Option A is 100. Option B is 80. Option C is 180. Option D is 120. Pause. Add every known sector and subtract from a full turn. Option A is correct. The missing angle is 100 degrees. The known angles total 260. 360 minus 260 is 100. Practice question 3. The adjacent angles 3x plus 15 and 2x plus 15 form a straight line. Option A is 24. Option B is 36. Option C is 75. Option D is 30. Pause. Form the equation, collect like terms, and solve for x. Option D is correct. X equals 30 degrees. 5x plus 30 equals 180. Subtract 30 to get 5x equals 150, then divide by 5. Let's wrap up. Angles on a straight line total 180 degrees. Angles around a point total 360 degrees. Identify the structure, include every adjacent angle once, form the equation, and state the answer in degrees. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.